Aero India 2025 is set to take place from 10th to 14th February at the Yelahanka Air Force Station, Bengaluru. In view of this, comprehensive traffic arrangements have been made, which will be in force from 10th February to 14th February from 5 am to 10 pm on all days. Free parking is available at GKVK campus. Free BMTC AC shuttle buses have also been provided to and from the Aero show. All visitors are advised to utilize the free parking at GKVK and the free bus shuttle services. Paid parking is there in two paid parking areas. Adva parking, where visitors to Adva can enter from gate number 8 and 9. Visitors to Adva parking are advised to take the following route: Yelahanka bypass, Dodbalapura road, Naginalli gate, Harohalli, Gantiganhalli circle, right turn towards Adva parking. Domestic area parking, where visitors with passes to gate number 5 can park at this area. All movement of trucks, private buses and all types of heavy goods vehicles is prohibited on the following roads: Bengaluru Bellary Road, Gorguntepalya to Hennur Cross, Nagavara Junction to Tanisandra Main Road. All commuters to the international airport are hereby advised to avoid the Bengaluru Bellary Road during the Aero show display, as delays are to be expected. They are requested to use the alternative road from Hebbal on the ORR towards Hennur Cross to Kotnuru to Bagluru and reach the airport south gate. Visitors are requested to scan the QR code on the ticket and pass to ascertain the entry gate route and travel accordingly to avoid unnecessary delays.